What's up, YouTube? It's about Tariq Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. Damn. I be calling myself Tariq Vlogs, like Vlogs is actually my last name. What the hell? Every video. But anyways, guys, you see the face. You see the face. I just wake up face this. Right now on our way to the work. You know the last day. Today is Sunday, so this is making the day off. And I'm not even gonna edit this video. You understand me? Oh Lord. Not running this red light. Oh Lord. Stop, boy. Okay, so yeah, I know I've been making the videos midnight every night for the past 3 days. And last night I got home at my midnight exactly. Couldn't make the video. For the simple reason why I always make my videos in my car because I don't want to make any noise in the fucking apartment. So I don't have any video for today. So for the record my road rage driving to work and I got a fucking why am I cursing? I got a good 45-minute drive to this workplace. I'm not for the record for 45 minutes though, but I'm just telling you guys, I got a good 45-minute drive to this workplace. So I'm gonna give you all 10 minutes of the time, right? And just tell you what, keeping up to date on what's going on. Because last night when I got in, I was tired as hell. I should be at work at 9, and the time is now 8:46. And I got a 45-minute drive, and I'm just leaving my place. But anyways, let's go. Oh Lord. Hey! Cha! Anyways, so what go on now? What go on? What bad this week? First of all, I want to tell you guys that you see, August the 28th, Friday, 11 o'clock Trinidad time, 10 o'clock Jamaica time, but 11 o'clock Ghana time too. You do me I say? Look on to the maths. But Instagram live, my Instagram, may I go on Instagram live with out the TV from Trinidad. We're gonna have a sound clash. You understand? I'm gonna be playing these Jamaican dancehall songs, and he's gonna be playing the Trinidad dancehall songs. And they don't know. The crowd decide who wins. Someone wanted to tune in and come vote for me. Because oh Lord, why am I drive so fast? I'm drive. Alright, yes. Well, that breaks, alright. Go on, yeah. Alright. Right, so that's about hear me car. Silent now. Sound like I want to Tesla better drive though. They might have electric too. Yeah, anyway, the new car to us some come but I tell them about the clash. So the crowd decides who win basically. So I'm gonna need no help to come vote for me because I know say I be a trend that people are gonna up on the live. So obviously me not a chance. Me not a chance because I be a trend that people are up on the live and I'm gonna vote for out there now. So I want to hold on and come tune in and come support the reaction boss. Oh, you good man? I'm doing. You know people can't drive, you know. But next on the agenda. So recently, for the past 3 videos I've been posting. For one, the first one I post Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. About Lila. We all know Lila young, we all know Lila age. You understand me I say? So that's all I can say about that matter there. You understand? And I must not say the video them for entertainment. We all know that she young and thing. And the next one we post. Ah, hey, the video, yo, a beer bag I'm posting in the dark for the past what? 3 days, 4 days, shit, for the past 4 days, all bangers, man, all bangers. Where did I go? We go to Ashana Finesse with the big bumper, blood clot, yeah. No, shit. That was a good video, right? Y'all enjoyed that video, right? More training than that I come forward. You understand me? But we have a whole reaction back in effect back for post from Monday. So I'm gonna make a bag of video. When I go see video I post every hour upon the hour, dog. Every hourly video I got reactions I got drop as of Monday. Going straight back. Hourly. Um then we go say we go over Guyana. What's her name? Timika Marshall. Oh Lord. Baby. Baby. I don't want to show you guys too much of the car because I don't know, say, the car tour is coming too soon too. You don't know, say everything. I make a video out of anything and any and everything. Which boy, I can't say, because the car tint them girl, one bad boy with cute face. Why am I swerving in the street? Which boy, I see, them bike, the boy, them right now, dog. Them bike there, the boy them are in the youth. Come here, white boy. They cap them. You see the cap today. Them bike them are riding now. Then me I say, them bike the boy them a push dog. Them bike the boy them a push. We getting going. That's not a good thing to do, by the way, when they're driving and they're riding a bike. Don't go up too close to them, and especially on this side. But anyways, what else did I chat about? Now, Tamika, what else did I do? Yesterday. Ah! What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Lola Dal. Lola Dal, Miss Important. From Guyana. Yo, you guys are going off in the comment section, yo. You still are going off in the comment section, like, yo. So nobody not gonna tell him what go on, nobody not gonna tell him this, nobody not gonna tell him that. You must do your research before you make video. Blah blah blah. I did my research. I know everything. I know what's popping. If you guys don't know this, like anywhere you see me touch down and do a video about, I should say do a reaction video about them. I understand me. I make sure I find someone in all those places. Trinidad, I have a source. Guyana, I have a source. Everywhere I have a source. I have to know what going to the place though. You have to make sure that dog. So I see y'all going off, but come on now. One thing I want to tell you guys, don't discriminate people, yeah man. Don't do that. When I go talk every talk about the business on YouTube, but you all know and me know too. See, understand me try to show you? So for real though, I understand, but don't discriminate people, brother. At the end of the day, she still motivate a lot of people. Because for one, as somebody did recommend her to me. You understand me? I try to show you. I only recommend basically, I only recommend her to me. Just like when I recommend some more females. As somebody say, yo, somebody look up to she, I like what she do, I recommend her to me. Yo, but I try to show you. So don't discriminate people, brother. You understand? People might do a lot of bad, but at the end of the day, people still motivated because the way you come up, you understand where you're forward from that. Look at me. For me, for me. Ah, it's funny. I forgot. Yo, I just want for things in the dog, but I say no. I keep going, keep going, keep going. But about good things I see are going, especially on YouTube. To me, I say, watch it. Man, yeah, watch Terry vlogs, man. Yeah, watch reaction boss, man. That's all I'm have to say that. So why you going so strong, sir? Fuck, you going so strong for? You think top car, old car that. True guy, relax and chat to people. I don't want to drive fast. And now I'm doing. They feel like. Forget WCW and read life. But them boy I feel like. Come on, sleep dog. I mean I work for next 12 hours today. 8:52 people. I'ma have much more minutes? I have 20 more minutes to go. So I'm gonna try and take outside. 9:30. We're gonna sleep in the car a little bit in the dark house. But if we make that money, don't know the rest of them forward back tomorrow sleep. So just go and stay tuned here, man. Why is them from talk about? I don't know. But I gotta guess you know. I guess you know. I guess you know so. We chat to you. Chat to you a little more. One bugler police. Yeah, dog. Slow down. But me chat to you a little more. They may say big up on yourself. Chuck boy. Peace out.